Okay, this is Heidi Ferrer from girl2mom.com. That's girl2mom.com. And I am a dinosaur mommy widow. So if you're anything like me, you have a boyfriend, a toddler, a young child, or a husband who is obsessed with dinosaurs. Because dinosaurs are awesome. I mean, they really are awesome. We do know this. So let's go through what you need to know as a woman. Or man, you know, either way. All right, so this is T-Rex, otherwise known as Fred in our house. Very fierce. This is the Brachiosaurus. Don't call it a Brontosaurus, or your husband, son, or boyfriend may throw himself on the floor and have a tantrum. Brachiosaurus, not Brontosaurus. It's very important that they don't have lead paint and that they have the CE European symbol of safety on them. Thanks government, Europe is safer. But we don't want them to have lead because even the smallest size, like a pencil size eraser of lead, can make your husband stupid forever, like even dumber than he is right now. I'm totally kidding. Your husband is awesome. All right, so this is Dilophosaurus. Scary. Yeah, I know, man. It's really freaking scary. All right, this is one of the dinosaurs from Dinosaur Train. They go on a train. I don't know what they do. They travel somewhere. There's a conductor. It's very important. Don't lose them. Okay, here is, this is not Triceratops, so I don't know what it is. You're going to have to tell me. Triceratops has 3 horns. 3 horns, 3 means try. You know how it is. You have lived in France. Okay, so this is either Brontosaurus or Brachiosaurus. Who knows? Let's not lose it, though, or my child's going to have a tantrum. This poor pterodactyl, or pteranodon, if you can see, his head got bitten off. It's like zombie vampire terror night at our house, and 1 foot got bitten off by my child. That's why you don't want the lead paint, because your child will get brain damage. Okay, so anyway, not to scare you, not to freak you out, but this is a very realistic looking one. This is Velociraptor, I'm pretty sure. I know, right? And my son stares at it all day. The detail is very important to them. They listen to rock and roll. On YouTube, you can get tribute to T-Rex, tribute to Dilophosaurus, tribute to a Velociraptor, every tribute set to metal rock that you could ever hope to hear. You can read Danny and the Dinosaur, a classic. You also can read Dinosaur Rumpus, which is super fun. And then late at night, when mommy wants to cry herself to sleep from all the dinosaur suffering and overload, you can take a dragon, which is close enough to a dinosaur. We call this the cow dragon. Hold him and cry. Now mommy needs a comfort item too. We love you, and Girl to Mom, thanks for watching.